Morning, one and all. We are here to represent a course registration system, a program made by our four group members. So let's begin. This code implements a course registration system using C. It allows the user to manage students' courses and facilitates student enrollment in courses. The detailed explanation can be given as the main key components of this program are the header files that such as the header file such as stdio.h, it is for the standard input output operations. The header file that is standard library.h for the functions like exit. The next header file is the string.h, it is for handling strings. And the next is the constants used in this program such as max students 100, maximum number of students allowed, that is, and the next function is max courses, that is 50. The maximum number of courses allowed are the 50. The structures used in this program are mainly student, course, etc. Student represents a student with its student ID, the student name, and the enrolled courses by the student. And the next is the course count, the number of courses in the student is enrolled in. The next structure is course. It represents a course with a particular course ID, the course name, and the schedule in which the course is going to be conducted. Next is enrolled students and student count, means the number of students enrolled in the particular course. Further, the global arrays such as students, courses, student count, and course count are used. The student array is used to store the student record. Courses, the array is to store the course records. Student count, it tracks the number of student added. Course count, it tracks the number of courses added. Further, in this program, various functions are used and declared as void add student, void add course, void enroll student, void view students, void view courses, etc. Firstly, the implementation of program is begun at the main function. What the main function does, it displays the menu to the user, such as it is displayed the course registration system. First menu is add student, second is add course, and etc. etc. By using switch case, the choices are given to the user. After giving these choices, we get the input from the user of the particular choice. After getting the choice input from the user, for example, if the user given the choice of first add student, then it goes to the function add student. How it works? It works by the if else statement. If the student count is greater than equal to max student, means the maximum number of students, then it is printed that the maximum student limit is reached, means no further students can be added into it. Further, then if else condition, in else condition, it is printed to input the student ID, the student name. After inputting, the student count gets added and the student count gets incremented. Then it is printed that the student is added successfully. Then, for example, if the user had given the input as add course, then it goes to the function void add course. It works in the following way. If the course count is greater than equal to maximum number of courses, then it is printed that maximum course limit is reached. Then no further courses can be added into it. In else condition, it is printed that print the enter the course id, means the course id get inputted, the course name get input, the course schedule get inputted, and after inputting this three things, the course count get incremented and the course get added. Then after further it is printed that course added successfully. The next step of this program is enrolling the student. If the user had inputted the function enroll student, then it goes to the function enroll student. First of all, here the student id, course id, I, J are declared. I is for students and J is for courses. Then the student id get inputted, the course id get inputted, and further in the for loop the I is set to be 0. If the I is less than the student count, then further it is implemented. It goes in the next step, that is if else statement. If the student id dot id is equal to student id, then it is further implemented, such as it goes to the for loop. And if the courses are initialized to be 0, if the courses is less than the course count, then it is further implemented, or it is printed that the course not found. And if the students enroll courses dot course count plus plus is equal to course id, or and the courses dot enroll students courses j dot student count is equal to student id, then it is printed that student enrolled in the course successfully. One condition I missed, that if the student id is not equal to the student id, then it is printed that student not found. Further, the next function is view students. If the user has given the input of view students, then the function is implemented that void view students. In this function, here the for loop is used. In this case, if students is equal to students are initialized to 0, if students is less than student count, then it is printed the full or total information of the particular student, that is the student id, the name of the student, etc, etc. And in the next function, that is void view course, here the for loop is used, and the same condition that is given in the view student is given in the view courses. Here the course id, the name of the course, and the schedule of the course in which the course it is been conducted is given. This is the small presentation of this course registration system that we have implemented through the C programming. Thank you.